Hello everyone, how's everybody doing? In today's video guys, I'd just like to introduce you into the platform uh, which is called Cliqly Pro. So basically what's happening in this platform guys is that you get paid for sending emails. Okay, let me just first dive in inside the platform so that I will show you what I'm talking about. Alright. Okay, as a new member guys, here under your openers list you will only get 5,000 openers list emails. All right, so meaning that you will be able to send 75,000 emails from this 5,000 by sending 15 times. So you'll send 15 emails per day, so it's going to be 15 times 5,000, and that's 75,000. So how you make money from this platform guys is that each and every time you send emails to this openers list or subscribers, each and every time a person opens your email, because the main crucial thing is that a person needs to open your email, so the email will pop up on their notifications bar on their device. So once the email pops up on their notification bar, then they are going to open it. As soon as they open it, you are going to make 10 cents in dollars. So it's going to be 10 cents in dollars for each and every click that the person they do. So if they decide to join the offer that is going to be advertised by the email, or if they decide to engage themselves further on this email that you have just sent them, then you are also going to make extra income based on the offer that they've chosen to take up on. So I'm not sure about the offers because I don't know what's happening on the other side, because I'm just the sender, and then the email gets to the person on the other side, and then they engage with the email, they react towards the email. So I don't know what they're going to do next, whether the offer is selling a software, or maybe it's selling a PDF book, or maybe it's selling another online money income platform, just like this one. So as a new user, you will be taken straight to a video like this. So once you press my link, as I'm going to share the link on the, sorry for this guys, I will share my link on the description bar. So once you click my link, you'll be taken straight to a page where you'll get a video like this. Then underneath the video you will see a blue big bar saying that you must click here to join right away. So this version that I'm using right now guys is a trial version. You'll also get the trial version. So depending on your luck guys, or maybe let me say depending on the user engagement from your emails, you can able to make enough money within that trial period, but after that you will be asked to deposit $97. So don't worry about that guys, because the $97 one is only a once-off thing. So the $97 is for you to get more email lists. Let me just put it like that. So for you, with your $97 under here on the openers list, you will get more emails. Then the total list available to mail, you'll also get tons of emails, so that you'll be able to make your money back. And don't worry, you will make your money back, because all the members that joined before me, out of the 97, they've managed to make the 97 back, and also they've managed to make their profit. So after joining guys, the video is going to instruct you, or maybe it's going to guide you and show you how you're going to make the money from this. But also let me just give you a test on what is happening here. So after joining, you will come here, step 1. We only have 2 steps here. The first step is for sending emails, and the second step is for building your mailing list. So let's begin with the first step. Then I jump to first step. From there I go all the way down at the bottom of the page. That's where I'll be able to click. Okay, as you can see guys, this is already the emails that I've sent. And don't worry, as you can see, that is a number of emails that are are on the log here, but for you, you'll only send 5,000 emails 15 times, meaning you'll send 15 emails that automatically are going to duplicate themselves into 75,000. So the math is like this: it's 15 emails that you send times 5,000 of the mailing list that will be available on your platform. So you come here, you click send email. So you come here, you go to, you press go to next step. These ads, they're disturbing us. All right, from there you choose whichever email that you think that the user will be able to get enticed by it. So let's see, you've won access to a brand new money generating software. Okay, let's select this email. So another tip that I'd like to advise you to, guys, is that you make sure that you try under this section where it says please enter the from name. Okay guys, let me pause it. All right, I'm back, guys. Sorry for that. All right, as I was saying, guys, that the tip for this part, for you to be able to engage a more number of people, is that you use a name that you think maybe people will be able to relate to. I know, a popular name, so for me, let me just say, let me another ad again. So let me use let me just say Dave, and then I press send, and you come here, you say confirm. Then again you go to the next step. You choose an email that you want to send. This is okay. It's very simple question. Are you ready for success? Yeah, I like this one. You select this one, then you choose let me just say this guy, because I know this guy is well known in network marketing and also motivations and stuff. So I select his name. Then I send. So basically, guys, this is how you do it, right? You will do this for 15 times. Then from there you will go to your step 2. Step 2 is all about building your mailing list. So per day you will be allowed to send only 40,000 emails to build your mailing list. As you can see here, guys, I sent 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, and only 206 people managed to open. So immediately when a person opens my email, their email address is captured and taken into under my email my mailing list, so that the next time I'll be able to send them more emails, since they have shown interest and they've engaged themselves towards this content. So it works like that, guys. So from there you come here. So here you will type 20,000 and you send, but I won't do it now because you have to do this part after performing the 15 emails part. So it's the first step, then this is the last step. Then when you are done with the step, you will do this 20,000 2 times. From there, that's 40,000 and you're done. So when you're done with this, you go here, you say check your commission. Then they will take you to the Conversion House Media page. Then you press Conversion House Media. Then under this Conversion House Media, you will also click here to check a commission. So as you can see for yourself, guys, this is my commission so far. The reason why my commission is like this is because I have not been doing this every day. I believe that I don't have to do this every day. So I do this once, then I give it a 2 days, maybe 3 days breather. Then I do it again, because I'm trying to make sure that the emails that I've just sent out, I have exhausted them. I'm giving them a window of opportunity so that the people will be able to click, even those who didn't click, so that they'll run out before I send another batch of emails again. So this is how the platform works, guys. So if you want to check if you want to check your referral link, you click referral, where is it? You click referral commission link, there it is, you press there. So this is my link. As you can see here, it says your new free trial page. So do not let that free trial page get you twisted. You can get paid even you're still using the free trial page. If you are going to be creative around this, guys, and make sure that you milk this until you reach the minimum of $300, which is the minimum threshold for the withdrawal. So to check your, let me see, if you check your Cliqly referrals, as you can see, guys, these are my Cliqly referrals. So let me just quickly go back. Let me close this tab. What else? So yeah, guys, basically this is the platform, guys, for those people who have been complaining about being scammed, trying out the platforms only to find that the platforms are not working and all that stuff, and only to find that the platforms, they are scam over a period of time. This platform is going to help you a lot, guys. This platform is here to stay. It's been there before I joined, and it has paid a number of people before me. So why not? It's also going to pay you as well. You are not going to be an exception. So thanks for watching, guys.